finally out of Colorado. Now I'm back in Utah. So I have a ton of places to check out. The plan for this trip is to see all the national parks within Utah and then trail around. So the first place I'm gonna check out is Moab. I'm gonna hit up Onion Creek. It's a pretty popular trail. Gonna hit up that. It's currently 9 o'clock on a Sunday, so I'm hoping not a lot of people are there. If you guys are new here, my name is Tim. I'm a photographer based out in Seattle, and I'm currently living in my 4Runner. I think it's time to head out here, so I'll see you guys in Moab. Took a little detour before I hit Onion Creek. I think this is a spot that I do want to come back when it is closer to sunset, just because right now the sun is way too harsh in the sky. It's kind of overexposing a lot of the footages. I think I might end up coming back here around sunset, or at least try to plan if I want to come back here or not, because there's so much to see around this area. So, but anyways, gonna continue to Onion Creek just because it's down the road. See you guys there. Okay, I think this is the end of the Onion Creek Trail. I believe if you keep going straight, it's a different trail, and I think if you turn left, it's top of the world. Overall, super fun trail. I mean, it's definitely the most scenic. It's up there with Leslie Gulch out there in Oregon. Looks like you can drive down here I don't know if this is a camp spot, but there's definitely a fire pit right there. This would be a crazy camp spot. I mean, if you're allowed to camp here. They did say that you're not allowed to camp along the Onion Creek Trail, but if this is the end of it, then I don't see why not. Like I said, crazy camp spot. Just to park right here. I'm not gonna camp anywhere near here, and it's pretty early in the day. It's about 11 a.m. So I got here pretty early, which is great because there's not a whole lot of people here. But yeah, there's so much more to see, so I think I'm gonna head out of here. Okay, so I'm at Potash Pond, and this is a crazy spot behind me. Unfortunately, I don't think you can camp here. This is Schaefer's Pass. It's a pretty easy pass to get through. I haven't had any problems except a small part around Elvis Rock where it gets kind of deep a little bit with the rocks, but I passed a Highlander and they went right through it, so it's not that bad. Pretty unique spot. I mean, these rock formations here have been crazy. I've been seeing it all around, and I mean, there's just so much to see around here. It's so vast. I just stopped here just for a little bit just to plan out the route where I'm going to. So I think the plan is to go to Mesa Arc and then try to catch sunset there. Should be about an hour away, and then after that try to find some camps. So a spot that I would definitely camp at. I don't know, I see a lot of private property signs, so I don't want to risk it, and be pretty respectful for whoever's property this is. But anyways, going to head out. I'll see you guys at the Arc. Okay, so change of plans. I'm not gonna make it for sunset. The sun is basically setting already. It's gonna be another 30 minutes before I get there, so I'm not gonna make it. There's a good chance to find some camp while the sun is still out. I'm gonna check it out. It should be like a giant open field from what I'm seeing. Oh my god, the sun is like really on my face. Okay, so this is the camp spot. This is super cool just because it's so close to Canyonlands National Park. starting to think that I should have went to the Arc just based on the burn of the sun. I don't think you can get any better than this. Sunset just outside of Canyon. I think it could get just a little better than this. I forgot that I bought ice cream, so it can get better than this. It was like almost 100 degrees today, so having a tub of ice cream is probably the best I'll ever get, especially in hot weather. So yeah. All right, just got done eating, packed up a little bit, and you know what I haven't done in a while is Milky Way. Surprisingly, there's a lot of camp spots here, and they're wide open too, so yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Probably call it a video as well, and then I'll pick up at Canyonlands because I'm gonna check that out, and then it is about 30 minutes down the road. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I always appreciate you guys watching. All right, take care, guys.